Good evening, instructor. My name is Cristian Javier Garcia Yaya. It is a pleasure to greet you. At this moment, I am going to present the development of my project in trying in technology in civil works, beginning with the presentation of our company, starting with its vision, objectives, reference to the public, and its publicity in selling its logo. The study is focused on the problems caused in the bridge houses snow mountains, and to start with Snow Globe. The logo, the image of the company was created with the initials and Nestor and Sergio and Daniel and Christian of EAS founded, completing it with the pros that were both about the identities is beyond studies and experience. The missions of our own company install labs, the construction market, the construction market responsibly and efficient, taking quality into innovation, and while taking care of the environment with ease of vision of leading the industry and construction market quality and well-being in urban development. Our goal is to provide advantage to the population, to facilitate mobility and comfort on roads on a problem to solve this to facilitate the movement of the community, saving time, sentiment is money. The objective of the project is to contribute the Collingwood activity in the area of civil works and supervision, showing the Collingwood of EAS competence to build a better tomorrow. Process performance, we study the environmental method which avoid negative impacts and demonstrate the skill were intervening to do the stackeout, a topography commission, stackeout and use for the inclusion shalom and structure in according to all the stipulated plans. In this process, we use different learning methods which are divided into four elements: personal protection, basic starting and from the first moment when assume the activity of works, implementation of top and mechanical equipment for pit excavations, and the work was taking into account everything and mitigating the different risks. In heavy loads, we complement equipment such as tower crane to facilitate work and safety for other tasks. We use and provide the best quality in the concrete of the process. For this, pumping equipment is used and is supervised with quality and certificating person and senior students. And with this way and obtain grades and learns yet about bridge structures and allow for monitor the instructor tons of transport lesson, transport paciency, transport love, tan job very much instructor